Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. We begin with some positive news for at least one sector of the economy. Tourism revenues are outpacing arrivals. That's the word this evening from Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett. Based on projections, revenues could amount to over $3 billion by the end of the year. Mr. Bartlett made the revelation at the ministry's recent two-day midterm review and strategic planning retreat. TVJ's Andrew Ladley reports.
It's likely that 2018 will see another record in cruise and stopover arrivals, a phenomenon which has become a norm. But this year there's a twist. Revenue intake has already started to outperform arrivals by as much as 10%. The ministry now projecting total revenues of $3.3 billion by year end. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett confident about hitting the target with a strong revenue growth record of 40% over the last 5 years. And as the industry readies for another year of record growth, Mr. Bartlett notes that tourism's contribution to national GDP continues to rise.
50 years ago, tourism was barely a speck on the GDP radar. Today, 8.4% of Jamaica's GDP is driven directly by tourism, and indirectly, more like 30%.
Last year, Jamaica saw an unprecedented 4.3 million visitors. That resulted in foreign exchange of $3 billion. The tourism minister now announcing that the industry's growth is resulting in more revenue for Jamaica.
But that pretty close to 20% of the revenue collected by TVJ is driven directly from tourism, not indirectly now, directly, in terms of travel tax, the GART, room tax, GCT, directly related to tourism activities, not indirect or induced.
In 2016, Minister Bartlett established a 5x5x5 growth target for the Ministry of Tourism and its agencies. Translated, the target seeks to grow tourism contribution to the economy by providing 5 million visitors over a 5-year period, earn $5 billion, and grow at 5% per year. Andrew Ladley, TVJ News.